Hello parents, in today's video I'm going to be making breast milk balms, lotions, and soaps. So if you're on this journey and you're looking to create these as well with your breast milk, make sure to stick around to the very end. My name is Kasandra Sison and I love talking about and reviewing baby and parenting products and also including you guys in my day-to-day endeavors such as making breast milk soaps. So if this is what you like and you want to see more and you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, hit the little like button and the bell so you're notified when I release videos like this, and then follow me on social media. I am almost 1 year in exclusively breastfeeding my second daughter, Luna. So I'm excited to be able to reach this long and have extra breast milk stored. However, she has zero interest in the milk. She only likes it directly from the source, so all the extra milk that I pumped is about to expire. I tried putting it in food, she wasn't a fan. Tried heating it up and putting it in a bottle. She doesn't like using the bottle, so I don't want it to go to waste. So I started doing some research and I found different things I can do with this. So I definitely am super excited. I've been wanting to do this for a while, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm going to start off today with the lotions. The ingredients and the recipes and everything I found, I did find them on Pinterest. They had multiple different options of approaches you can take when making these lotions, but after doing some research and stuff, I picked the one that was best for me. So a lot of the ingredients are the same for the three things that I'm making today. A lot of them requested grapeseed oil. They also wanted vitamin E oil. They asked for you to choose an aroma of your choice. I specifically like eucalyptus. I debated between eucalyptus and lavender. Those are my two favorite ones. This here is going to be for the soap. There were different ones you can use, and beeswax was another another ingredient that all three of the products were requesting. These silicones will be for the soaps. These were specifically designed for making soaps, but you can use different ones, and these ones I purchased to make ice, but it's still kind of the same basis. The texture is a little bit harder, so I wanted to give a try on both of them to see which one I liked more. I can make little tiny soaps maybe for travel, and then the bigger soaps, who knows, for whatever reason, but options. We all love options. So let's get started. So it's been a little bit over an hour with the lotion. I took it out of the fridge to open it up and see how it looks. So this is how it looks. Let's see the consistency of it. It's really soft and creamy. It's a little bit more liquidy than a normal lotion, but I wouldn't say it's like watery. I think it's great. I can smell the lotion. I can smell the beeswax. Even though the beeswax doesn't have like an aroma to it, just a natural scent of beeswax. So just to see a little here, you can kind of see how it looks. I think it's great. I like this one. I think for a lotion, I think it does great. I'm happy with this. So this was super easy to make. I think once you get the flow of how to make this honestly would take maybe 10 minutes max to get everything, mix it, pour it, and then have it in the fridge. These jars are pretty cool. I do like them. The metal of it can kind of make it a little hard to take off the cap, but these are pretty cool. So I'm liking this one. Some things you can change on it, of course, is the scent of the aroma that you would like. I use eucalyptus, but you can use lavender, pretty much any scent that you like. The grapeseed oil, I specifically got one for skin, hair, and nails, but I honestly think you can use the food grade one, the oil you use to cook. So that's something that you can change up on that as well. But otherwise, it was super simple. Again, I linked everything that I purchased from Amazon down below, so check it out and then have fun making. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and kind of see if I can help you out with any type of tricks and advice from mine. But I'm liking the lotion. I give this one an A+. So I hope this review helped and kind of like this how-to DIY helped you. I'm really liking it. So if you remember, even if it's past a year, you could still use the breast milk to make things like this. You can no longer consume it for your little ones, but you can use it and make not only lotions, there's a lot of other things online. So check it out. Pinterest was my best friend in seeing what I wanted to do with it. But yeah, check those out and see. If you have any questions, again, drop a comment. But if not, happy making. And again, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment, and then if you want to follow me on my motherhood, follow me on Instagram. But check out my other videos. I have the balms and the soaps coming up. See you soon, and if no one's told you, you're an amazing parent and you're doing a great job.